Hello everyone, I'm just here with a little tutorial or demonstration of how I clean my grill. The Nexgrill is the brand that I have. Just cutting the propane off. I just got done grilling and I was going to show everyone how I clean my grill with a pressure washer. The pressure washer I'm going to be using today is the Ryobi 1900 psi. It's pretty good for cleaning my grill or just using it for anything else that I want to use it for. And it's very hot, so just kind of bear with me as I get ready to take everything loose. And you just kind of want to put the grates somewhere where you get a chance to get a chance to wash both sides of them. Going to be using some microfibers or whatever you got that you can handle something seriously hot with, and just transporting them over. And like I said, I just got done. You can see all the leftover burnt, gritty meat that was burned onto the grates. Just kind of taking everything apart so I can set it up to bust it down. I use one of those really high powered pressure nozzles. And to me, I feel like the best time to do something like this would be as soon as you get done grilling. Because if you wait too long, it could be a little bit harder, but it's up to you. Or however you prefer to do it. I like to clean mine as soon as I get done with it. Using it. And I'm going to be taking every part of piece that's used when you're cooking it, so you can get a chance to see exactly how it's done, from the grate to everything else. That's what I call the grates that you put the meat on to cook. Then you're going to want to grab in and take these and just kind of stack them on each other. and just kind of set them up in a way that you're able to wash them down really good. And I want to remind everyone to do this at your own risk. Pretty sure they're nice and cool now. They're not too hot. And yes, they are. They're at a good temperature for me to be able to work with them. You're gonna want to do the front and the back of these. The back of them, underneath them, is not too bad. And as you can see, that pretty much got a lot of that grud and leftover meat that drops down on top of them off of it really good. Then you can take whatever you have, a piece of microfiber here that I'm using that's hooked to one of those paint and stir sticks. I just take it and just clean the rest of the little grime and dirt. Knock it all down into the pan. All that leftover food that when it gets cooked and it drop down all on the sides, just get that really good. Knock it all down into the pan. And since all of this is cooled off, you just stack them right back in there where you took them from. Inside the grill. It's ready for the next go round, and I go around and I take my pan to get ready to go and wash it out and clean it out. All that nasty grease. See, that's all the mess that came from cooking. About to show you how to clean that off. Take your pressure washer, get the big stuff. And this really cleans it off really good to get it ready for the next time you want to do some more grilling. Like I said, I prefer to clean my grill as soon as I'm done using it, because it's a whole lot easier, especially with a pressure washer. Just slide that right back underneath, and it's ready for the next go round. Then I take this part with all that nasty grease, and you can just find somewhere in your backyard or garbage can. Just throw that out. And I'm just gonna use a regular water faucet just to clean this out, since it's not really that big. Just a little container that catches the grease. Then you want to go take your microfiber or rag or whatever you have, and just clean that out with it. Just wipe it down really good. And like I said, it's a lot easier to do this as soon as you get done. It's way easier to do as soon as you get done grilling, because it makes it super simple. There you go, our grease pan is all done, and just get any little leftover debris or anything that's in it, just slip it right back in there. And our grates should be cooled down, and they are. And just take them and put them right back in there, back inside your grill. That, ladies and gentlemen, is how I clean my grill with a pressure washer. It's all clean, hardly any grime or leftover food. And the best time to do this is when you're done grilling. And I want to show one more time the pressure washer that I use. Ryobi 1900 PSI. And thanks for tuning in.